Hi there, students. A mouse potato. A mouse potato. Let's see, I'm sure you've all heard the phrase a couch potato. Somebody who spends too much time lying on the couch, lying on the sofa, watching TV, playing video games. Well, a mouse potato is somebody who spends an excessive amount of time on the computer. I think unfortunately I'm probably a bit of a mouse potato. It's somebody who spends excessive time using a computer. So this new computer I bought for my kids is for school. It's not for them to become mouse potatoes. Okay, so this is somebody who does not have an active lifestyle but spends a lot of time on their computer. So try to walk more in your daily life and stop becoming a mouse potato. Yeah, a mouse potato is not good for you being a mouse potato. Yeah, if you work as operating as a computer, well, you easily can become a mouse potato. So yeah, this is critical. It's saying that you spend just too much time with the computer. You're a computer addict, a computer geek, a computer nerd, yeah, a computer potato, a couch potato. So yes, I guess modern life is pushing us to more and more towards becoming computer potatoes. Well, no, we're actually probably mobile phone potatoes. But well, I personally prefer a fixed computer or a laptop. Okay, so a mouse potato. Yeah, this I've been playing this online video game. It's turned me into a total mouse potato. Yeah. Ever since we got this new computer, he's turned into a real mouse potato. So, formality. 3.5, maybe 4 informality. This is something to use informally. Semi-formal conversation, just about, but certainly no more. And as to the origin, well, it comes from the phrase a couch potato, yeah? But instead of sitting on the couch, it's always using the mouse. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. A mouse potato.